Y'all, this is it. I was sitting out here on my porch enjoying a beautiful evening in my cozy clothes, and the UPS truck pulled up with a very, very special package for me. And I'm gonna open it, and I want you to be with me as I do it. So here we go. Here we go. I almost forgot to hit record and just busted right in, but this has to be recorded. I've been working on this book for a year and a half. Actually, it's kind of the culmination of my entire career, the ideas in this book. So it's been more than that. No way! This is it! I can't even believe it. It's my book, it's my name. Oh, wow. I'm so excited, yay! See, now I'm gonna pour through it and read every page and just make sure that I still like it, that I still like what I said. Wow. The Compassion Advantage is currently available in ebook format on Amazon. And actually, until next Tuesday, it's only 99 cents. The hardcover will be released in September. So I'll be watching for that. Thank you for sharing this special moment with me.